Hi all, welcome to Mano Cooks and I'm Mano. In today's video, we will see our favorite authentic and traditional recipe of idli chili powder or gunpowder or idli podi or idli chili chutney powder. However you call this, one thing is sure that it is really a very yummy and easy recipe which comes handy many a times in our daily lives. But before we start, if you're new here, please do subscribe to Mano Cooks to learn more such easy recipes with tips and tricks, and also please click on the bell button. Let's get started and learn this authentic recipe. For this, let's heat a pan on medium flame and heat 1 teaspoon oil. Once it is hot, add dried red chilli. Quick tip here, I'm adding 12 red chillies here which are perfect for me. Please increase it if you want it little more spicy. So let's keep roasting it slowly and adjust the flame to low if you feel the heat is too much. Power tip here, we are just roasting the red chilli, so we need to make sure that the color of the chilli is the same and not burnt, but it has to turn crispy by roasting it slowly. After 1 minute, please add the curry leaves and keep roasting them as well. Quick tip here, please do not miss the curry leaves as it adds a great taste to this recipe. Please watch this recipe till the end as I have some amazing tips which are must when you try this recipe at home to get the perfect texture and taste. Now as you see in the video, the red chilli and the curry leaves should be roasted so well that it turns super crispy. Let's take this out in a white plate and allow it to cool down. Roasting each and every ingredient to the perfect crispiness and color is the key to master this idli podi recipe, and I'm sure the next time you would not want to buy this in store. Now in the same pan, add 1 teaspoon oil and heat it on medium flame. Let's first add chana dal or kadle paruppu and let's keep roasting. Power tip here, when we are roasting for this podi, you need to keep mixing and roasting it continuously. Because if you don't do so, sometimes the items at the bottom of the pan might get burnt while that on the top is not cooked at all. So the ingredients should be completely cooked and roasted very well, giving even color to all the ingredients, which is a must. Now after 2 minutes, let's add urad dal or ulundam paruppu. This is white whole urad dal. You can take white split urad dal as well if you want to. Quick tip here, always urad dal should be double in quantity than that of chana dal. Now let's keep roasting both the dal in medium flame with continuous stirring. So once we keep doing that, slowly you will get nice aroma of the dal and it start to get roasted and slowly start to change color. Once it start to turn light pink, next add white ellu or til. If you don't like, you can skip this, but I would suggest you to add this as it gives good taste to the idli podi. Quick tip, try adding only white ellu or white til. Now add asafoetida or perengayam to this and keep roasting it. So if you want, you can reduce the flame and keep roasting everything continuously until you see both the dal turn nice golden color as you see in the video. So now our dal is nicely roasted and it is time to transfer this in the same plate and allow it to completely cool down. Stay with me as we are not completely done with the recipe. The most important part is grinding to perfection. Also, I have some very interesting chutney and sambar recipes on my channel which are a must try and goes very well with idli and dosa. Please check out the link for South Indian food playlist at the top right corner, or you can get the link in the description box down below this video too. Now to grind this idli podi, let's take a mixi jar and add all the ingredients along with salt. Since I am using a small jar, I have grounded it twice. Now add everything in the mixi jar along with the salt and keep pulsing it few times and then keep grinding them. Once in a while, you can open the jar and scrape the sides and grind. Quick tip here, always start to grind the roasted ingredients only when everything cools down completely. So the consistency should be little coarse as you see in the video. When we rub the podi between our fingers, we should feel small granules plus some powder. That's how we want it. Now transfer the powder in a bowl and allow it to cool down and then store it in airtight glass container. You can use this podi to make podi idli or podi dosa or sprinkle on top of uttapam or any variation of your choice. And this is a must try recipe at home. If you like this recipe, please do share with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon too. And do comment me how it turned out for you. You can also send your pictures of Mano Cooks inspired recipes to my mail ID. See you all in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching.